Okay, so this is Chrome, and I find it works really well with all of my PDFs, and everything I do is in Chrome, so I recommend you to use Chrome. And then you want to put this address in the top bar to get the Adobe PDF reader and click enter. Then you'll get step 1 of 3, download the software. And here it is on the top right, Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. It lets you open PDFs and click the links. Now, I would not recommend clicking McAfee free security antivirus software unless you know what you're doing. I wouldn't install that unless you know what you're doing. And this is something to buy where you can edit PDFs, so you don't actually need that at all. All you need to be able to do is click the links in the PDFs. So we're going to click download Acrobat Reader, and that just downloaded down here to the left. Now if you don't have this appeared down here on the left, what you can do is go to the opposite corner and click the 3 dots and go to downloads here, and then it shows you that folder right here. Click show in folder, and there it is in your folder. This is a folder in your local drive, users, customer, downloads, and everything you download will be in here. So we can double click it. Now this is your computer asking you if you want to install the software. It's not going to do anything bad, it's just going to allow you to install the software. So when it says changes, it means literally just install the software. So we clicked yes, and we're just going to wait for it to download and install. It can take a while, so you can speed the video up to get to 100%, or you can wait with me. Okay, so now we can just click finish, but before we do that, see here we've got a little checkbox, launch Adobe Acrobat Reader. You can uncheck that if you don't want to launch it, or check it if you do, and then click finish. Okay, it says step 3 of 3, thank you for and enjoy Adobe Acrobat Reader. Here is another product that you might be interested in. Ignore that. You don't need that. So you can close everything now. And you can also go to this folder, show in folder, and see that actually that got deleted because you don't need the installer now. Then you can go to your start bar, bottom left, and click Adobe Acrobat DC. There we go. There's even a welcome PDF, but all you have to do now is open your file in Adobe Acrobat. Now if you click this link just here, make Adobe Acrobat my default PDF application, every time you open a PDF it will open in here and your links, I say will, but I'm going to say should work, obviously, because I can't tell and check every single device that's available to purchase. I don't know for sure that that will be the case on your device, but I am almost certain that if you say yes to this, you will always open in Adobe Acrobat Reader. So we'll say yes. There we go. Set Adobe Acrobat as default. View all PDFs with Acrobat in 2 easy steps. Continue. Okay. So this is just some settings that will let you change your setup. So for example, currently my PDFs open in Microsoft Edge, and I don't like that actually. So I'd much prefer them to open in Chrome or Adobe Acrobat DC. So currently they open in Microsoft Edge. So I could change to Adobe Acrobat or Google Chrome. For me, it doesn't matter. But if you are having issues, I would go for Adobe Acrobat DC. I do believe it's Safari that has the issues with the Adobe not opening links in PDFs. So if that you've got Safari, I would go for Adobe Acrobat DC as well, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, so that means every single time I open a PDF, it should automatically open in Adobe Acrobat. Okay, so we'll click OK down here. There we go. And then we'll give that a test. I can just click away from here because we've already done that. And if I now open a folder, there we go, and we've just done, let's have the Frilly Tulip PDF. Now here we go, Frilly Tulip PDF. It's got the actual Adobe Acrobat Reader logo on it now. Before it didn't have that at all. So if I double click that, that will now open in Adobe Acrobat Reader, and I should be able to click on the links. So here we go. Ask to Sue any question in the Facebook group, click the link. Okay, it's just making sure that I really do want to click this, but this is a trusted site, the PDF is trusted, and we know we're going to Facebook here, so we allow that, and there is the Facebook group. Okay, now you're saying, oh, but where is my PDF? Where's that gone? So we can go down the bottom here and click the icon at the bottom for Adobe Acrobat Reader, and there's your PDF again. If you'd done this in Chrome, it would have just taken you direct to the Facebook group, and you would have had to have hit the button, the back button up here, top left. Okay, so here we are back in the PDF. Again, it says, yes, are you sure you want to do this? Well, yes, we are sure, because it's a trusted PDF and we know we're going to YouTube. And there it is. So again, to get back, we go back to Adobe Acrobat Reader and we can click on another link. And that is such a better way to do it. If you're finding that your PDFs are disappearing every time you click a link, this is a better way to keep your PDFs visible and be able to click the links also.